A very good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope to all are safe. Stay home and stay safe. Welcome back to Maths online classes. In the previous classes, chapter 6, square roots and cube roots, exercise 6.1 completed. Today class is exercise 6.2. Today class is chapter 6, square roots and cube roots. Page number 129. Do this problem. First Roman. Check whether the following numbers from Pythagorean triplet. Already introduction, we learned the introduction Pythagorean triplet problem. Okay, introduction part. So we know that Pythagoras hypotension side and side. The formula is hypotension square equal to side square plus a side square. We know that this one. Okay. So at the same time here same process. A B C solution. A B C are the positive integers or the positive integers. So then Pythagorean triplet equal such that a square plus b square equal to c square. It means c square is a hypotension square and side square plus a side square. Here a equal to 2 and b equal to 3 and c equal to 4 given that problem. A is equal to 2, b equal to 3 and c equal to 4. Then substitute the formula. What is the formula? A square plus b square equal to c square. So here a is 2 square plus b is 3 square equal to 4 square. 2 square means you write then the separate 2 into 2 and 3 into 3 equal to 4 into 4. 2 2s are 4 plus 3 3s are 9 equal to 4 4s are 16. Here 13, 9 plus 4 plus 9, 13 is equal to 16. It is a possible. So 13 not equal to 16. So given that A, B, C are positive integers, but it is not possible Pythagorean triplet. Okay, because of is equal to both sides values are same, then that will be a possible of Pythagorean triplet. It is the first problem. Next second one. At the same time A, B, C. Here A equal to 6 and B equal to 8 and C equal to 10. So by using Pythagorean triplet, A square plus B square equal to C square. A is 6 square plus B is 8 square equal to C is a 10 square. 6 square means 6 into 6 plus 8 square means 8 into 8 equal to 10 square means 10 into 10. 6 6 are 36 plus 8 8 are 64 equal to 10 10s are 100. So 36 plus 64, 36 plus 64, 4 plus 6 10, 6 plus 3 9, 1 10. So here 10 100 equal to 100. So it is possible by Pythagorean triplet. So is equal to both sides values are same. So it is possible by Pythagorean triplet. Okay children, it is the page number 129. Do this problem. First Roman, 2 problems. Remaining problems, do the homework. Next page number 131. Do this first Roman. What is the first Roman? By subtraction of successive odd numbers. By subtraction of successive odd numbers, find whether the following numbers are perfect square or not. Already we learned in the introduction part example. So solution We know that odd numbers. We know that odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 and so on, odd numbers. Here asking by subtraction of successive odd numbers. By subtraction of successive odd number. Here given to the 55 number given. So it is a perfect square or not. Once observe that. Successive subtraction. So here 55. What is the first odd number? 1. Because of it is a subtraction of successive odd number. Subtraction of successive odd number 1. First odd number is the 1. 55 minus 1 equal to how much? 54. Again we will get the answer. Then we will give subtraction of next odd number. So 54 minus 3. 51. Here 51 minus next odd number 5. 51 minus 5, 46. 46 minus next odd number 7. So 39. 39 minus next odd number 9. 39 minus 9, 30. Next 30 minus 11. 30 minus 11. 19. So 19 minus 13, next odd number. 19 minus 13, 6. Next remaining next odd number 13 after odd number 14. So here 6 minus 14. It is possible, then we will get a answer is the negative numbers. So 6 minus 14 means minus 8. So it is a not correct. So 19 minus 13 equal to 6. So it is the 14 is a 6 above number. 14 big number. So it is not possible. So therefore 55 is not perfect square number. Perfect square number. So here also all odd number successive odd number subtraction means they will get a 0. That is a perfect square number. So here 6 will become last number. So remaining minus 8 after minus something. So that is not possible of perfect square. 55 is a not perfect square. Okay children. Okay, next problem. In this Roman next problem 121. Third one is the 121. So here also odd numbers. Observe that odd numbers 1, 2, 3. Sorry, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. Here 15. 6 minus 15. 9. 15 and so on. So observe that here 121 first odd number 1. Here 120. 120 minus 3. 120 minus 3. 117. 117 minus 5. 112. 112 minus 7. 105. 105 minus 9. 105 minus 9. 96. Is correct only. 96 minus 11. 96 minus 11. 5. 8. 85. So next 85 minus 13. 85 minus 13, 72. 72 minus 15. So here borrowing 12 minus 5, 7. Here 6 is there. 57. 57 minus next odd number 17. 0, 40 equal to 40. 40 minus next odd number 19. 40 minus 19, 1. Here 3 minus 20, 1. Next odd number 21. 19 after odd number 21 equal to 0. So it is getting answer is 0. So it is 121 is a perfect square number. 121 is a perfect square number. Okay. In the first problem, once look here. In the first problem, here negative numbers are that it is not possible of a perfect square. Okay, children. Okay. Next exercise 6.2, first Roman, prime factorization method. Find the square roots of the following numbers by prime factorization method. The first problem is 441. We know that prime factorization method we learned in the previous classes. Prime factorization method like this only. So first odd number, here odd number is there, then you do the multiply 3. So how many times of possible 3 is the 1 time, 3 ones are 3, here 4 minus 3, 1, 14, 14, 3 table, 3 3s, 3 ones 3, 3 2 6, 3 3s 9 and 3 4s 12. So here remaining 14 minus 2, 14 minus 12 means 2, 21. 7 3s are 21. So here 7th table, 2 7s are 14 and 7 1s are 7. Again 7th table possible, 3 7s are 21. So here write factors or 3 into 7 into 7 into 3. So here write the square number, same numbers in side by side. So here 3 square into 7 square. 3 square into 7 square. So here product of primes, equal to 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. So it means of 3 square into 7 square. So here asking square root of prime factorization method. Square root of 441 is equal to root of 3 square into 7 square. So we should write here 3 into 7, both numbers are square numbers. So write here 3 into 7 whole square. Okay children. So our square root to cancel. Remaining 3 into 7 will be there. So 3 7s are 21. The square number is the square root of 441 equal to 21. The square number is 21 equal to 441. Okay, next third problem. 4096. 4096. So here it is even number. So that is to them starting with 2. 2 2s are 4, 0. 4 2s are 8. Remaining 1 is there. 16. 2 8s are 16. So here again 2 table. 2 1s 2, 0. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. Again do the second table possible. 5 2s are 10. 2 1s 2. 2 2s are 4. Again 2 table. 2 2s are 4. Here 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4, 1 will be there. So 1 1 11. 5 2s are 10. 10 minus 11, 11 minus 10, 1 will be there. So here 12. 6 2s are 12. Again 2 table. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. Here 1 will there. 16, 8 2s are 16. Again do the 2 table, 6 2s are 12, 4 2s are 8. Again 2 table, 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are. Next 16 2s are 32, 2 8s are 16 and 2 4s are 8 and 2 2s are 4. So how many 2s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So product of primes equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into, write the 12 twos, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 twos. So here 12 twos, write the pair of twos, 2 into 2 into 2, one pair, second pair, third pair, next 2 into 2, next into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 6 pairs. Okay children. So here all are at 2 square into 2 square into 2 square into 2 square, 2 square, 2 square, 2 square, 2 square into 2 square into 2 square. So here a power m into a power n into a power, like that formula. So bases are all same, then exponents are adding. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only 6 twos. Okay. So here write 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. So here write 12. So here this change to the 2 power 6 whole square will be right, because of a power m whole power n equal to a power m into n. So a 2 power 6 into 2 means we will get a 6 2 power 12 at the same. So here square root of 4096 equal to 2 power 6 whole square. Square root to cancel, 2 power 6 is there. So 2 power 6 means write in 2 6 times. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are, sorry, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64. What is the square number of 4096? 64. So it is a correct or not? Once observe that 64 into 64, 4 4s are 16, 6 4s 24 plus 1, 25, 6 4s 24, 6 6 are 36 plus 2, 38, 6, 9, 8 plus 2, 10, 4096. So 64 is a square number of 4096. Okay children? Okay, remaining problems, do the homework. Exercise 6.2 second problem. Find the smallest number by which 3645 must be multiplied to get a perfect square. Did you understand children? Find the smallest number by which 3645 must be multiplied to get a perfect square. Did you understand? This number, which number is the multiplied, they will get a perfect square. So how can you do that? First do the prime factorization method. First do the prime factorization method. So 3 table possible or not, once check it. 3 ones 3, 3 2 6 and 3 ones 3, remaining 1 is there. 4 minus 3 1, 1 5 15, 5 3s are 15. Again do the 3 table, 4 3s are 12. Yes, 4 3s are 12 and 0 5 3s are 15. Okay, next fifth table. 8 5s are 50, 5 1s are 5. Next 3 table. 2 3s are 6. Remaining 8 minus 6 2 there 21. 2 1 21. 7 3s are 21. Again do the 3 table. 9 3s are 27. Again do that 3 3s are 9. So here write prime factors 3 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay children. So here 3 is exit of pair. 3 is exit of pair means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Here 6 3s are there. So we should write here pairs of 3s. And into it is a single number 5 is there. Okay children. So here solution. Resolving 3645 into prime factors, we get, so here right here 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. Here observe that 3 is exit in pair. Exit in pair. Remaining which number are there? Only 5 is there. Only 5 is the single number is there. So while 5 is, therefore 5 is alone. So alone. So we should multiply. We should multiply given number. Given number. So here what is the given number? 3400 and 3645 into 5. So multiply that 5 5s are 25 and 5 4s are 20 plus 2 22. 5 3s are 60. 60 plus 2 60. Sorry. 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 2 32. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 3 18. So therefore 18,225 is a perfect square number. Perfect square number. So here once observe that 3645. Find the smallest number by which 3645 must be multiplied. So it is the 5 is the smallest number in this case. They multiplied that 18,225. So it is a prime perfect square number. Okay children, did you understand? Which number is multiplied by perfect square number? 5. 5 is multiplied by given the number. They will get a perfect square number. Okay, it is the second problem solution. Next, fourth problem. Find the smallest number by which 7,776 is to be divided to get a perfect square. In the previous problem, second problem is which number is multiplied by 3645. In this problem, smallest number by divided by 7,776 is to be divided by to get a perfect square. So first do the prime factorization method. 7,776. So it is the ones place is the 2 is there. First it is the 2 smallest even number. 2 twos are 3 twos are 6. Here 1 is there 17. 8 twos are 16. Here 1 is there 17 here. 8 twos are 16. So here remaining 1 is there. 1 6 16. 8 twos are 16. Again 2 table. 2 ones are 2. Here 18, 9. 2s are 18. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. Next again 2 table. 9 2s are 18. 7 2s are 14. Next 2 2s are 4. 2 table. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 6 2s are 12. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 2 3s are 6. So here 7th table possible or not? 7th table. Sorry, 3 table. 8 3s are 24. 3 1s are 3. 3 table. 27 3s are 81. Again 3 table. 9 3s are 27. Again 3 table possible. 3 3s are 9. So here write how many 2s are there? Factors 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 2s. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 3s. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 5 3s. Okay children. So here write the pairs. 2 into 2 and 2 into 2. Okay, leave it 2. Only 1 2 is there again. Into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Remaining single numbers are there. Remaining single numbers are there into 2 into 3. These 2 is a single numbers. Okay children. So now we'll start the solution. Resolving 7,776 into prime factors we get prime factors we get 7,776 is equal to write that pairs 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into again 3 into 3 into single numbers are 3 2 into 3. Okay children. Next, so here 2 comma 2 and 3 comma 3. In this 2 comma 2, 2 pairs, 2 one pair and second pair. 3 is 2 pairs, 1 2 and 3 are 3 or exits in pair or exits in pairs. So remaining 2 and 3 are do not exit pairs. Do not exit pairs. Did you understand these steps? 2 and 2, 3 and 3 are pairs or exits in pairs. Remaining 2 and 3 are do not exit pair. Okay. Now, so divided the given number by the given number by 2 into 3 equal to 2 3s are 6. So divided the given number by 2 into 3. Because of 2 and 3 is a alone the numbers do not exit pairs. So therefore divided the given number by 6. So once observe that perfect square obtained. Perfect square obtained 7776 by 6. So do the division. 7776. 6 ones are 1 is the 7, 12, 7 minus 2, 5, 0, 57. 9 6 are 54. Remaining here 7 minus 3, here 6. 6 6 are 36. Remainder 0. So what is the? That is equal to 1296. 1296. It is a square number. We know that it is a square number or not. So once you do the prime factorization method, it is a 1296 is a perfect square or not. I think it is a perfect square because of which number is divided by 7776 number, they will get a perfect square number. Find the smallest number by which 7776 is to be divided to get a perfect. So this is the 6 is a smallest number, then divided by to get a perfect square. So once observe that it is a perfect square or not, once observe that. So here do 1296 is a perfect square or not. Once do the two table. 6 2s are 12, 4 2s are 8, remaining 1 is there, 1 6 16, 8 2s are 16. Again two table possible, 3 2s are 2 2s are 4 2s are. Again do the two table, 2 1s are 6 2s are 2 2s are. Two table, 8 2s are 16 and 1 time. 3 table, 27 times. Again 3 table, 9 3s are 27 and 3 table, 3 3s are 9. So here observe that 2 into prime factors. How many 2s are there? 4 2s. And how many 3s are there? 1 2 3 4 3s into. So pairs are all factors are pairs are there. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So it is here 2 into 2 whole square into 3 into 3 whole square. I think it is a to all factors are pairs in exits. Okay children. So next here the square root of, therefore square root of 1296 is equal to 2 into 2 whole square into 3 into 3 whole square. Then I will write the separate square roots into 3 into 3 whole square. Square root to cancel, remaining 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. 36 is a perfect square. So it is a 1296 is a perfect square number. Okay children, did you understand this process? Here I will divided the square roots. Okay, here square root to cancel. For example, root AB is equal to root A into root B. Root AB equal to root A into root B. It is a total A and it is total B. So root A into root B, square root to cancel, equal to 36. Okay children? Okay. Thank you my dear students. I hope to understood this problem.